guys, Dennis here, back with another OPGI product feature. Today we're looking at our 1970 to 72 Cutlass and 442 partial and complete quarter panels by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Our partial quarter panels can be used on Supreme coupe and convertible models. If a full replacement is needed, we offer complete quarter panels for convertible models, which feature the door jamb and rear corner. Every quarter panel is stamped from 20 gauge steel using factory specifications for perfect fitment. At the end of the production line, we finish every panel with electrodeposit primer, also known as EDP coating. EDP coatings protect against rust and corrosion, so you have ample time to sand and paint your quarter panel without worrying about potential rust. We featured these quarter panels on our 1970 442 convertible that we debuted at the SEMA show back in 2015, drawing a lot of attention. Several years later, and it still looks in brand new showroom quality condition. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.